back to the channel, everybody. In today's video we're gonna calibrate the gyroscope and the controller for the first time, the first use of the SwellPro Splash 3 Plus drone. And we're gonna go through the process of how you calibrate the gyroscope and get this thing set up for the first time. It says to calibrate the compass and the gyroscope of the drone, fully charge your drone and remote control batteries. Remove the clear protector sticker off the top of the drone. Read the user's manual. All switches got to be in the up position. And remove that plastic. And then it says to remove the plastic on top of the drone. Okay. Some glue. Alright. All the glue and stickers are off. Alright, we'll put the battery in. Alright, let's see what it says to do here. Alright. Place the drone on a horizontal surface, power on the remote controller, then the drone. Alright. Power on the remote controller. Alright. Controller's on. Says full battery. Power on the remote controller, then the drone. Okay. Drone beep. Alright, let's see how many satellites we get. Not seeing any satellites. Alright. After hearing the drone power up tone, switch to return home mode on the controller. Return home mode. Hold the joystick into the lower right corner and right joystick in the upper right corner. Okay. Doesn't seem to be doing what it says. The drone status light will start blinking red, red, green, yellow, indicating that calibration is underway. When the status light goes solid green, release the joysticks to complete the calibration. Okay, let's power this drone off for a second. We'll start it up again. Okay. Alright. In the home position. Okay, it's in calibration mode. Okay. Compass calibration. There are two ways to calibrate the compass. A fast and simple method and a more accurate compass calibration. The simple two-sided compass calibration is performed with the drone outdoors away from any source of metal. Okay. It says go from place the drone horizontal, remove propellers and accessories, power on the controller, then the drone, close the GPS tub cover, watch the drone status indicator on the top of the GPS. After hearing a drone power on, switch to flight mode and backwards between the three modes. That's it. It's supposed to be calibrated. And the drone is calibrated, ready to go. Let's look. Look at the screen on this thing. Let me turn this so you can see it. Now if I tilt the drone, look at the screen on this thing. Turn this so you can see it. Now if I tilt the drone, the bars tilt. Here's the drone's level. The bars tilt. Here's the drone's level. It's working. Alright, gyroscope is done. Go to the normal preview. Normal GPS. All right, everything fired up, and we're gonna take it for a test run. We're gonna take it for a test run in a little while, and we'll get some footage of that and see what happens.